What's up friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to my this new video how to make money with Digia Store for free. It's a 100% copy paste method and 100% free method. So if you are a newbie and if you don't know from where you should start your online journey, then you can simply copy and paste this method. And I will show you how a image can bring traffic for you and you can get conversion. So guys, don't miss any part of this video. I will show you step by step everything. So if you are a newbie, if you are an expert, it doesn't matter. You can simply copy and paste this method and make money with Digia Store. So guys, let me see why this method is recommended. Okay, you can see you can make money on Digia Store today. You can make 30 per day. It's a copy paste method, so don't want to get huge money, huge result. Okay, you can make 30 per day or more. Then it's 100% unseen method. You can say this image can brings traffic. That means I will show you Instagram method. No, I will show you Pinterest method. No, I will show you Tumblr method. No, I will show you a 100% unseen method. Okay guys, let's check all the video. Now it's 100% free traffic. Then you don't need to do anything with videos. So you don't need to make videos, you don't need to edit videos, you don't need to upload videos. Okay, you don't need to write any articles. Okay, so you don't need any website. Okay, fine. Then you just need 1 hour task per day. Then you don't need any previous working skill because it's a 100% beginner friendly method and copy paste method. So if you follow my method, then you can apply this method. Okay. And you get results within 2 or 5 days, within 5 days. Okay, then it's totally beginner friendly method and you don't need to run any paid ad campaigns, and here is no scammy task, no unethical task. So you can easily apply this method, you can easily follow this method and get results. Okay. So guys, let's start how to make money with Digia Store for free. But guys, I am Rajubhadro, affiliate marketer of legendary marketer, ClickBank, Zebiju, and many other affiliate networks, and making $1,000 per month by affiliate marketing, by online marketing. And first thing is first, if you first inside my YouTube channel and if you want to make money with affiliate marketing, with online marketing, then you can subscribe my YouTube channel Rajubhadro. Here it's an educational YouTube channel and a lot of helpful content. You see here a lot of helpful content inside my YouTube channel. So guys, if you don't want to miss any make money opportunities, then click the notification bell and to be the first viewer all of my new videos, new updates, and new updates inside my YouTube channel. So guys, don't miss to subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you want to make over 10,000 per month, okay, like me, then check my number on recommendation or check my video description. Make 10,000 per month affiliate commission, you can check here. And you know it, traffic is the key to online success. So if you need bad traffic, unlimited bad traffic, then you can check my recommendation. It's a product of ClickBank. It's my recommendation, so you can check it. So guys, I will start how to make money with Digia Store for free and how I can copy paste all the method. So guys, let's focus it. At the first, if you want to make money with Digia Store, then you have to first create your Digia Store account. So search on Digia Store 24, then click here and you see here register now. Digia Store is for all over the world, so you can eligible to create account here and promote all the Digia Store products. Okay, just click this register now and simply sign up your account and register for free. After registering your Digistore account, your one step has been completed. Now visit the marketplace of Digistore. You will get all the products inside here, this Digistore marketplace. But for this method, I will recommend you to promote love, dating and relationship products. It's perfect for this. So I will show you how you can choose dating, love and relationship products and how you can promote all over the world and get traffic and make sales. So guys, visit this category, dating, love and relationships. You see here all the love relationship products here. Now you have to choose the best product from here. Then you can see all the product details, all the commission details here, all the product details, all the click details, conversion ratio, everything you will get here. And here is the sales page of this product. And when you want to promote this product, just simply click the promote button. Okay, just click the promote button and you see it's your affiliate link. You have to promote this link. When people click this link, visit this sales page and make a sale, you can get commission. Okay, so you have to promote this link right now, and I will show you how a image can drive traffic and helps to hit this affiliate link. Okay guys, now it's totally an unseen method. Okay guys, if you face any problem to following this method, then comment in the comment box and I will try my best to solve your problem. And if you like this video, don't forget to like this video. And if you first inside my YouTube channel and don't want to miss any make money opportunities, then subscribe my YouTube channel. Raju Bhadra, a lot of helpful content inside my YouTube channel. So guys, let's check it how I can promote this love, dating and relationship products for free using a simple image and all the copy paste system. Okay guys, visit this website weheartit.com. You see here weheartit.com, and inside here you see a lot of images. In this case, don't use any make money related images. I think you don't get better result. But if you use health and fitness, okay fine. If you use food products, then it's fine. Then if you use love and relationship related products, then fine. Okay, now I will show you how you can post here, how you can add your affiliate link here, everything inside this weheartit website and get traffic. Now I want to see it, how much traffic this website generate per month, per year. Just visit this similarwebsite.com and search this website and check how much just skip this. I have to register here. It kills my time. Okay, now I will show you how you can upload images here, how you can add your affiliate links here. I will show you it. You can check this website, this similarwebsite.com. Over 9 million people visit this website per month. Okay, over 9 million, huge and huge traffic. Just you have to be consistent. You have to upload images per day, and it's so easy and so simple. Just follow it. You see here, create post, and you can simply sign up this We Heart It account. You can use your Gmail, you can use your Facebook, Twitter, or you can use your email address to create account here. Okay, after that just click here, create a new post. Okay, you see here, post images, click here. Now you have to choose file. For this you can use canva.com to make your images. Okay, if you can use canva.com to make your images, then it's 100% your own image. Here is no copyright issues. But if you can make images using Canva, then you can direct download from Google and upload this We Heart It website. It's there is no copyright issues here. Okay, so search here love and relationships, then search the images. You can see a lot of images, a lot of images, a lot of images here. You can simply download any of the image. You can download any of the image from here and simply upload here. Okay, now you have to choose your file, your images. Okay, okay, fine, it's your image. Now you can choose a collection. You can put anything. Now you have to edit image description. You can put something here, or I recommend you to put a love and relation relative quotes. Okay, love and relationship quotes. You see a lot of quotes here. You can choose any of the quote as your image description. Okay, you get it. Okay, love is composed of a single soul inhabiting two bodies. Okay, just copy it and paste here. Okay, fine. Now you have to put your tags. It's love relationships, dating. Okay, now you can customize your image call to action, and here you can add your affiliate link. Just click here, and you see here, here is the button label. You can put learn more. Okay, then destination URL, and here is your DGA store products affiliate URL. Just simply copy this link and paste here. Okay, fine. Now create post. You see here, it's my post. It's 1 minute ago. I already have give 2 hearts here, and you see here is my course and learn more. When people click this learn more, you see here, then they visit this affiliate page. Okay, this link. That's it. So guys, if you like this video, then like this video. If you face any problem, then comment in the comment box. I am always here to reply your question, to reply your queries, and try to solve your problems. And if you first inside my YouTube channel, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadro and hit the notification bell to be the first viewer all of my new videos, new updates. And inside my YouTube channel. And if you want to make big money over 10,000 per month, then check my number on recommendation or check my video description here. And if you want to get unlimited buyer traffic, then you can check it. It's one of the best ClickBank product. You can check it. So guys, I will repeat all the method once again. It's so much easy and so much simple. At the first, you have to create account on Digistore, then visit the marketplace and visit this dating, love and relationship website, relationship categories. Then you can get this product or you can check other products. Then just simply click the promote button and get the affiliate link. After that, visit this website. We heart it, and you have to create a post here and you have to upload images. You can create your image as your using Canva, use your own image, or you can get images from Google. Then you have to simply upload images here, and I recommend you to make 5+ posts per day if you want to get results, and you have to be consistent, okay, if you want to get results. But if you think one image makes sales and sales and sales, no, it's not possible. If it can possible, then everyone can make $1,000 using this copy paste method, but it's not possible. You have to be consistent. You have to make 4 or 5 posts per day, and you have to be consistent. It's just a 5-minute task. So if you spend just 30 minutes per day or 1 hour per day, then you can make easily 5 to 7 posts per day. I can assure you, I can guarantee you. And if you can do it, then you can get results using this simple method. Just simple using an image, you can get 1,000 and 1,000 traffic, and that will help you to make Digistore money. Okay guys, that's it. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to like this video and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadra. So guys, that's it. God bless you. Bye.